Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a K-pop idol look in just 1 minute. So let's get started. First, just open ChatGPT and then just go to menu and then click or tap on images. Scroll down and then just tap on effect that called what would I look like as a K-pop star. This one, just tap on it, and then next just choose or upload your photo that you want to transform, or you can also take a new photo directly from your camera. In here I will just take a photo from my gallery like this, and then next just tap on done and wait for the process. And okay, like this, your photo is instantly transformed into a K-pop idol styles with clean skin and then stylish makeup and idol vibes like this. It looks so cool. Next you can try different photos to get different looks. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.